Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to book cheap flights in Momondo. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Momondo account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how can you create an account on Momondo? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type momondo.com. It's going to take you to the official website. Once you get in there, check the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the sign in button. Click on that and follow through with the prompts to create your account using any of the available options. Now, after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic window where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Momondo. Now that we're here, let's hop into today's text, which is how to book cheap flights in Momondo. So from here, at the left corner of your screen, you're going to have to set it to flights. So select flights, and here you go. So you're going to enter your let's say from Lagos, that's Lagos to London, and add your date. To tab, enter your destination and the dates when you're traveling and when you opt to return. So this is a round trip. All right, if it's a one-way trip, just put that in. With multi-city, please go ahead and fill that in. Just an adult, or you have students, just go ahead and locate the crew, or to add the crew that's just going to join you, or if just only you just set it to one person. Use the plus icon for you to increase the number of members following you, and use the minus icon to decrease the number of people following you. Choose here. I'm going to use first class, thank you. And then bags, you can add bags, carry-on bags, checked bags if you want to. Now go ahead and click on search. Ta-da! In this window. Now, if I want to select, or if I want to go for the cheap options, which is the core of this tutorial, if I want to search for cheap options or book cheap flights, from this top corner, you're going to find this cheapest, best, quickest, and others. So just go ahead and set it to cheapest. So now that you set it to cheapest, you see all of the options available. So here you have this Expedia, book your flight to unlock more savings. You can click on view deal, and that's an ad. But here are flights available, British Airways. So you can click on view deal, check the amount. All right, and that's it. So for that, this is the only option available for cheapest. But just set it to cheapest. Once you set it to cheapest, you're going to find all your options. So if I set it to quickest, you're going to see that the search is going to be different. Okay. And if you set it to best, you're going to find other options as well. So I'm setting it to cheapest. And this is the option in finding. All right. So this is like the cheapest available. So go ahead and click on view deal. And this is taking me to British Airways. So once it takes me to British Airways, from the website in British Airways, I'll be able to check out, all right, and place a booking for my flight, for my cheap flight. So you're gonna have to like accept all or reject all, and just calculating your price. They're going to take you through the step-by-step processes for you to book. So this is review your flight. So here are the options, and here are your flight details. Check it properly, then you can click on agree and continue. This is your price breakdown if you want. So agree and continue so that it can take you to the checkout window. So log into your account. I didn't have a British Airways account, but if you do, go ahead and log in. And after logging in, or you can create your account, it's just going to take you to the next step where you would just be asked to add your payments method, and that's just pretty much the process. Now I can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.